Welcome to our tutorial on how to access and use our patient portal. In this video, we will show you where to find the link to the portal, how to log in, schedule appointments, and make payments. Let's dive in. There are a few different ways that you can access our patient portal. The first is an email link that you receive when we register you for the portal. We will cover this in the next section. The second way is via text or email when you send you a link to schedule your next appointment. The third way is by going to our social media pages and clicking on the link tree in our bio. You can also Google Snoqualmie Valley Orthodontics link tree, and it will take you to the tree directly. Then you can click the Patient Portal button. It will say Existing Patients beside it. The final way to access your patient portal is by calling or texting us. If you aren't able to find the link or your account is not working, we will help you troubleshoot the issue. Now we will cover how to register for and use our portal. First, you will get an email that looks something like this. It will include what email the account is registered under, a temporary password, and a link to the portal. Click on the patient portal link. You will be prompted to create a password when logging in, but we already have an account, so let's log in. The home page is where all of the patients associated with your email will be located. The empty space below Patient Test is where other patients would appear. Patient Test is the only patient on this email, so let's click on them. In Patient Test Profile, we can see future appointments that are scheduled and coming up, as well as our Cancel Appointment button. Next, we can see any appointments that need to be scheduled and appointments that have happened already. You can also scroll through past appointments using the page's buttons. Next, you have the option to make a payment and to see how much is due on your account. Patient Test doesn't owe anything, but if they did, we would just type the payment amount in and make the payment. To cancel an appointment, all you have to do is click Cancel and Confirm. It will move the canceled appointment into the To Be Scheduled section. You can easily pick another time for the appointment by clicking Schedule. There are a lot of options to filter out dates and times that work best for you. The appointment will automatically give you a date range in which we expect to see the patient. You can also filter appointment times by day of the week and time of day. So for example, let's say we can't do Monday or Wednesday, and we prefer afternoons. Then we will click Search, and all of the times that are available pop up. To book the appointment, click on the time you want and then make appointment. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has made the patient portal your ally for all your scheduling needs. Remember, we're here to support you every step of the way. Keep smiling and enjoy your orthodontic journey.